Welcome to another mesmerizing episode of Musical Tales. Today, we're going to explore the enchanting world of the ballad. Don't worry if you're not familiar with this term, I promise to make it easy and enjoyable for you. So, what is a ballad? Imagine a beautiful song that tells a captivating story. That's exactly what a ballad is. It's like having a magical storyteller serenading you with their melodies. In the olden days, people used ballads to pass down legends, folktales, and historical events. Picture a group of friends sitting around a cozy bonfire, singing a ballad that echoes through the night. A ballad often has a simple and repetitive structure, making it easy to remember and sing along. The lyrics are like the brushstrokes of a painting, painting vivid pictures in your mind. These songs often feature epic adventures, heroic deeds, tragic romances, and brave knights. Just like a thrilling movie or a page-turning book, ballads take you on unforgettable journeys. Let's take an example. Imagine a ballad about a valiant knight who embarks on a daring quest to save a kingdom from an evil dragon. As the bard sings, you can feel the hero's courage, the dragon's fiery breath, and the kingdom's hope hanging in the balance. But ballads aren't all about action and battles. Some tell heartfelt stories of love, loss, and yearning. In these ballads, you can almost feel the melancholy and emotions seeping through the lyrics, touching your heart in a profound way. And don't forget, ballads can also be lively and fun. Some tell humorous tales or celebrate joyful moments. You can't help but tap your feet and join the merry dance when a lively ballad takes center stage. Ballads have been cherished for generations, passing down stories from one era to the next. They're like time capsules, preserving the essence of our cultural heritage. So, the next time you hear a captivating song with a tale to tell, remember that you might be listening to a beautiful ballad, a musical gift from the past that still resonates with our hearts today. Thank you for joining us today on this melodic adventure. Remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, keep embracing the magic of storytelling and let the ballads sing their way into your soul.